Welcome to the introduction of Google Docs Online Version Format Menu, Part 6 of 7 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library. Table of Contents Format Menu, Part 6 of 7 parts. Text, Paragraph Styles, Align and Indent, Line and Paragraph Spacing, Columns, Bullets and Numbers, Headers and Footers, Page Numbers, Page Orientation, Table, Image, Border and Lines, Clear Formatting. Format Menu. Text. Different ways to format text. Use the size feature to increase or decrease font. Capitalization is used to change the text to uppercase, or use title case. Capitalizes the first letter of the word or words selected. Bold, italic, underline, strike through, superscript, subscript. Use borders and shading for more formatting choices. Use the different heading styles to denote sections. If you like formatting styles you have created on the document, click Save as My Default Styles, and the styles will be applied to every document you create until you reset it. Borders can be positioned on any side or sides that you like. Select Width, Dash, Border Color, Background Color, and Paragraph Padding. If you change your mind, just use Reset. Google Left Align, Google Center Align, Google Right Align. Justify Align. Example. Takeoff and landings. Set up two marked spots about 10 feet apart. Take off from one and land on the other. Go back and forth until you feel confident you can control takeoffs and landings. Extra spacing has been added between the words to make the right side of the text even. Increase indent moves the text to the right. Decrease indent moves the text to the left. Indentation options are in inches. To use indentation options, highlight the text first, then select the amount of indentation. This is an example of text without using indentation options. This is a sample of indentation options using the 1-inch setting. Select the spacing between lines using these features. The Custom Spacing feature allows you to customize the line and the paragraph spacing. After selecting the spacing, click Apply. Keep with Next feature. Maintains the paragraph headings and the text on the same page. Keep Lines Together feature keeps all the text in a paragraph on the same page. If you don't want single lines at the beginning or end of a paragraph, use Prevent Single Lines feature. Using Add Page Break before, and you can select a paragraph to start on a new page. Select 1, 2, or 3 columns. More Options opens the Column Options menu. Select up to 3 columns. Select the space between the columns, and if you want a vertical line between the columns, be sure and check Line Between Columns box. Welcome to drone.com. Notice the list options is grayed out and cannot be selected because the Christmas list is not in the correct format. After correcting the format, the list options is no longer grayed out and is available. Numbered List Menu, Bulleted List Menu. Both the Numbered List Menu and the Bulleted List Menu have different formatting styles to choose from. As each task is completed, check the box to show the task has been completed. Select the distance you want the header to be from the top of the page, or select the distance you want the footer to be from the bottom of the page. You can also select different layouts, then click Apply. Select the location of page numbers, the starting page, the starting number, and click Apply. Select Orientation Portrait or Landscape. Click OK. The table, image, and borders and line features will remain grayed out until a table or image is inserted on the document. Once the table or image has been inserted, the features will become active. To insert rows or columns, click inside of a cell and select Insert a column left or right, or insert a row above or below. You can delete a row or a column. To delete a table, make sure the table has been selected and click Delete Table. If you want the header to show up on every page, click Pin Header up to this row. It's easier to see columns when you have a large document. To unpin the header row, click Unpin Header Row or Rows. Selecting Distribute Rows or Distribute Columns will ensure your rows or columns are all the same size. Right-click inside a cell and select either Distribute Rows or Distribute Columns. To merge cells, the cells must be next to each other continuously. Once you have selected the cells, the Merge Cell option will become active. Go to the Format menu, Table, click Merge Cells. Google Docs will merge the cells. Click off the table to clear the highlighting. Merging cells is a great way to make the document eye-appealing, especially on the first page. Merge as many cells as you need to include business information as well. To unmerge cells, select the Merge Cells area and click Unmerge Cells. The cells will reappear. To split a cell, Format, Table, Split Cell, select the number of rows and columns you want, click Split. Splitting one table into two tables. Highlight the cells you wish to split. Click and hold down the left mouse button and drag downward to separate the tables. Then release the mouse button. Now you have two tables. Click off the table to remove the highlight. Highlight the rows you want to delete. Go to the Format menu, Tables, and click Delete Rows. To add a header, select a cell on the top row, Format, Table, click Insert Row above, enter header information. Unsort Table. Sorting organizes the table data to make it easier to analyze and more usable. Sort Ascending, Sort Descending. Table Properties has a variety of selections for formatting a table. With one click, you can position the table in the document using quick layouts, select styles, alignment, and adjust columns and rows. You can also adjust the cell alignment and padding, change the color of the table border, cell background, and change the border width. If you wish to have perfect alignment without a table being visible, select Border Point 0, border white, and cell background color none. Insert an image. Adjust the cropping handles to crop off the unwanted parts of the image. Left-click the mouse button and the cropping is done. Select an image, click Replace Image, and select another image, and the new image will automatically replace the original image. If you dislike the image after it's cropped, use Reset Image to restore the image back to its original photo. Image Option Size and Rotation feature allows you to change the width and the height of the image. You can also rotate the image to angle the image. Image Option Style has different selections of text wrapping. Wrap feature allows you to wrap on the left, right, or both sides of the image. You can also change the margins. Image option allows the image to move with the wrapped text, which means the image will move up or down depending on the text that is added or deleted. Recolor allows you to change the color of the image. Image options allows you to adjust a layer's transparency, brightness, and contrast. The adjustment can always be reset. Don't forget alternate text for the visually impaired. Border weight controls how wide the border is in points. The border can be a straight line or two types of dashes. The width of the dashes depends on the selection of the border width. To clear formatting, highlight the text and click Clear Formatting. All formatting will be removed from the highlighted text. Fruitland Park Library. This concludes the introduction to Google Docs Format Menu, Part 6 of 7. Thank you for joining us for Part 6. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining Part 7 of Google Docs. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this tutorial, please contact Gloria Terry at mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.